Let's review the data for the Mountain Cove May cycle in Indian Wells. The month-over-month metrics show an inventory increase with a single sale clearing in both April and May. However, market dynamics shifted between the two periods. The May listing closed 6.2% below ask, whereas the April listing sold at full list price, establishing a 6.2% negotiation gap. Concurrently, average active list prices adjusted downward from $389,000 to $350,000, representing a 10.03% decline. Average days on market for active listings rose from 27 to 45. For the sold inventory, the timeline to secure a contract lengthened. April's sale closed in 64 days, while May's sale required 117 days, an 82.81% increase in days on market. This slowdown is reflected in the 11.67% decrease in the market absorption rate. When we expand the horizon to a 3-year comparison, the data reflects a shift in the underlying product mix. At face value, the raw data indicates a contract drop, with the average sale price moving from $505,000 in May 2023 down to $300,000 in May 2026. On paper, that appears to show a contradiction variance of $189,154 in net sale yields. However, this aggregate comparison fails to account for a shift in the underlying property footprints. The May 2023 transaction involved an 1,152 square foot 2-bedroom residence. The May 2026 transaction was a 576 square foot 1-bedroom residence, exactly half the size. Because both cycles rely on a single transaction, a direct side-by-side comparison is skewed. To establish an integrated baseline, I down-adjusted the square foot size, deducting $252,691 from the 2023 transaction to tally with the 576 square foot May 2026 residence profile. Once correlated, the market movement reveals a variance of $35,727. This May cycle defines a buyer's market where capital is moving and transactional momentum is met with buyer selectivity, increasing inventory, and varying market dynamics. If you are tracking the market performance of your Mountain Cove property or evaluating your specific floor plan's historical sales track, reach out privately to look at an asset valuation or current hold contrast for your specific property.